Latest social media updates. Influencer marketing spend is expected to increase approximately 3.5 times faster in 2023 than social ad spending. Clubhouse is rebranding itself as a better alternative for group texting. Google Drive now lets you lock files to stop unwanted edits. Duolingo set to broaden its horizons with upcoming music lessons. WhatsApp working on new filter group chats feature. Microsoft rolls out background removal tool in Paint. Google kills third-party cookies. The Gmail app could finally get a select all button for bulk deleting emails. Google site names now work for all languages. Google's new Privacy Sandbox rolls out to most Chrome users. Google to make political ads disclose AI content. WhatsApp is working on cross-platform messaging. Spotify will soon let you share songs as audio surprises with friends. Netflix is adding 22 new movies and shows this week. Disney is releasing a very expensive 100-movie Blu-ray collection. For more digital trends, visit karanbalidi.com.